Hi friends, welcome to another K-pop journal with me. Today I'm attempting a waterfall photocard flip with Jin, Mr. Worldwide Handsome himself. Keep watching and I'll show you how it comes together. First, I select a background for the pages. I chose this pretty blue gradient cardstock. I felt like the whole theme of Jin's concert show was light blue. Maybe it was the stage outfit that he started the show with. You know, the Gucci fit with the sparkling jacket and jeans? It was spectacular. The other theme I picked up on was the changing mics. For the first act, he had the blue one. Then the second act, he had the pink mic. And for the encore, he had the green one. So I decided to include this ripped paper on the background with those colors as a nice complement to the blue. I took various shots of the concert merch and his selfies that he posted and printed them on sticker paper. Then I arranged them in a cute layout. And there's also a Wuto and RJ sticker that I had given those as freebies at the Anaheim concert, and I had one left. So it's time to assemble the Waterfall Photocard flip. I had made one before and put it in my junk journal. So this one was a little bit different because you pull down on the card and the photos flip up. But I wanted to make one where you pull up and the photos flip down. So this is a bit fussy. I had to prepare the pieces ahead of time. The cards are 3.5 inches square. And the pulling card / backing card was 3.5 inches by 11 inches. I scored the pulling card at 3.5 inches and marked a line every ½ inch until I had 5 lines. I decorated the square cards with washi tape and pictures of my favorite moments from the concert. I rounded the top corners of the cards only. The pulling card / backing card was 3.5 inches by 11 inches. I scored the pulling card at 3.5 inches and marked a line every ½ inch until I had 5 lines. The card should be really flexible after folding it on each line, so I made sure to fold back and forth. Then I glued the square cards down to the backing card, making sure to line up the straight edge with the scored lines. I took a strip of the same cardstock, which I'm calling the bracket. The bracket is 1.5 inches by 8 inches. These measurements are all customizable. The bracket should be long enough to wrap around the backing card and overlap itself about 1 inch or so. The bracket is supposed to be glued behind the first card, then folded over the backing and the pulling mechanism. It's not supposed to be attached to the pulling mechanism because that's supposed to be free to pull. I glued it really tight, so it's a bit hard to push back down once it's pulled. So once again, you'll see me struggling. I think it's a theme of my channel. I finished it up by putting a picture of Jin blowing a kiss. I think it looks really cute when you pull out the card and see Jin's kissy face. So you can see that I assembled it so that you have to pull up on the card and flip the photos down. It is also possible to pull the cards down and have the photos flip up. If I glued the top of the photo card to the backing card, then that's how you set it up to pull down on the mechanism and flip the photos up when you pull on it. But I really wanted to pull up and reveal Jin's kissy face as a surprise. To attach the waterfall card flip to the page, just glue the bracket down, remembering to leave the pulling mechanism free to move. So that's the page for Jin's RunSeokJin concert themed journal with me. The waterfall flip was fun and came out so cute. I know this wasn't a tutorial per se. If you'd like a full tutorial on how to make this waterfall flip, let me know in the comments. Okay, bye friends.